All right, folks, to replace the battery in your 2014 to 2019 Toyota Corolla key fob, here's what you'll need: a CR 2016 battery, a coin, a small flat screwdriver, and of course, the key itself. Grab the key and the coin. Take a look at the top of the key. There's a small cut there. Insert the coin into that groove and give it a twist to pop off the key fob cover. Now you've got the inner part exposed. On this inner part, you'll notice an arrow with a hint to use a coin. Find the spot indicated, insert your coin, and give it a twist to open the cover. Next up, grab your small flat screwdriver. Use it to carefully remove the old battery. To take out the new battery, just cut off this piece of plastic. Now get your hands on a fresh CR 2016 battery and pop it in. Carefully close the cover of the inner part. Now slot the inner part back into the key fob. And snap on the cover. Make sure everything is securely closed, and you're good to go. That's it. A quick and simple way to keep your key fob powered up and ready to roll. Thanks for watching!